Today we will discuss the topic total utility TU. Before that, we must know what is utility. Utility is the power of satisfying wants for a commodity. Utility is the level of satisfaction. For more details about utility, I have another video. The link is given in the description box. What is total utility? Total utility is the sum total of utility derived from the consumption of all the units of a commodity. For example, a person consumes 4 bananas. She got 20 utilities as a utility. So the total utility TU is equals to 20 utils. This does not mean she got equal utility for all bananas. She might got 7 utils for first banana, 6 utils for second banana, 5 utils for third banana, and 2 utils for fourth banana. But on total, she got 20 utils of utility for bananas. This is called total utility TU. The total utility is 20 here for the 4 bananas. Another definition of utility is total utility is the summation of marginal utility derived from additional units of commodities. That is, TU is equals to mu1 plus mu2 plus mu3 plus so on up to mun. Total utility TU is equals to summation of marginal utility of n numbers. Mu means marginal utility. Have a glance on the table of banana and utility. From the last example, she got 7 utils from first banana, means mu1 equal to 7. Similarly, she got 6 utils from second banana, means mu2 equals to 6. She got 5 utils from third banana, means mu3 equal to 5. She got 2 utils from fourth banana, means mu4 equals to 2. So total utility TU is equals to summation of mun, where n follows up to 4. So mu1 plus mu2 plus mu3 plus mu4 is equals to 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 utils is equals to 20 utils. Here, one thing is clear: as the number of banana consumption increases, the total utility also increases. But this doesn't follow all the time. It has a limit. If we plot the total utility in a graph, then the total utility will look like an upside down U-shaped curve. Because when one banana is consumed, total utility is 7. When second banana is consumed, 2 banana is consumed, then total utility becomes 13. As the number of bananas consumption increases, the total utility also increases. From 4 banana to 5 banana consumption, the total utility remains constant at 20 utils, because the consumer is saturated now. When she consumes 6 banana, her total utility start to fall at 18 utils, because now her consumption increases, she feels bad, so her total utility starts falling. So this is why total utility curve is upside down U shape. In the last graph, we saw that the total utility curve is concave to x-axis, but the conventional shape of the total utility is shown in this graph. Initially, as the consumption increases, total utility also increases at an increasing rate. So this is shown in the range 0 to x1, where it is convex to x-axis. After x1, as the consumption increases, total utility increases at a decreasing rate, which is shown in the graph from x1 to x2. At the level of x2 consumption, the total utility becomes maximum. After that, x2 total utility starts falling. For marginal utility, average utility, I have other two videos. Links are given in the description box. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this was helpful and you like it. Thank you.